Hello, everyone. A very good afternoon, and thank you for joining in. So, today is the first session of Android Study Jams, and this will be moderated by Shravya from 4th ECE. Shravya, please tell us more details about the campaign and how it is going to be and who can participate. Over to you, Shravya.
Thank you, Pranati. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shravya. I'm from 4th ECA from BVRT Hyderabad, and it's nice to have you all here on a Sunday. So, thank you all for coming. And we will begin with our session right now. So, today we're going to talk about the Android Study Jam presented by Google. Um, so, let us look at what an Android Study Jam is. Yeah. So Android study jams are you can call it a group study where people get together and learn a new language or learn a new skill, right? So Android study jam will basically focus on Android development, Android app development. So yeah, we don't have to have a prior experience about this, so we can learn from the basics. So yeah. For continuing with Android Study Jam, we need to install Android Studio on our devices, and that will be taken care of in the coming sessions. So, yeah, these are the requirements that will be needed. You need a computer, an internet connection, and the Android device or a USB cable is optional, so that is not a constraint. And we need Android Studio to run the Kotlin app, right? So yeah. In this Android Study Jam, the participants will be learning about the basics of Kotlin, and they will also be building an app from scratch. So this is what you'll be gaining from Android Study Jam. These are all the things you'll be learning, like Kotlin, um, your first app, etc. This is why you should enroll to Android Study Jam. You can learn a new language like C, C++, etc. Right? Kotlin is also a app that is a language that is used to um, build apps or make apps, right? And you will get a certificate on completion of the prerequisites that I'll be telling you about. And you can also learn how to make apps, right? So that I think that'll be very exciting and useful to all of us. This is just a example of the certificate you will be getting. Let's look at why Kotlin is being used as a Android development app language. It is very expressive, and it is built for easy making of apps, Android apps, and it was developed by JetBrains at on 2010. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah, and Google has officially made Kotlin its first preference for developing apps, and it is very easy to learn. It is similar to all the languages we knew till now, right? Yeah, these are just some facts about Kotlin. You can just take a look at it. And the prerequisites that we're looking at for getting the certificate is you have to attend at least 3 or 4 sessions to be able to get uh, the certificate, and you will be learning Kotlin in those sessions. I will be taking those sessions, and and you'll be learning how to build apps. You can deploy it on Google Play Store or Google Play Store. Uh, yeah, and you will be, as I told you earlier, you will be getting that certificate. I think that will add a lot of value and weightage to your resume. So I think this will be a fun ride, and I hope to see you all there. So if any questions, you can ask right now.
Yeah, thank you, Shravya, for the details. Can you also explain how the campaign is going to go, the deadlines and everything?
Yeah, so there will be 3 sessions or 3 or 4 before January 10th. And yeah, as I said, if you attend all the three, and we can have some quiz after each session, right? So if you complete all of those, you will be getting a certificate from Google saying that you have attended all of these sessions and you are a app developer now. So yeah, I hope that answered that question.
Yeah. Any other questions from any other attendees?
Yeah, if you have any queries or anything you want to talk to us or ask us, you can always contact me or Pranati whenever you can. So yeah. Yeah, so as I mentioned, we will be using Android Studio. I think it is very famous for app building. Yeah, we will be using that, and Kotlin as a primary language for building apps. I can show you the demo that I made. I mean, it's just a basic app, but I think you will understand what I'm trying to say. Just a minute.
Yeah, before Shravya shows us a demo, let me just give you a few more details about the campaign. So, like Shravya mentioned, she will be moderating a few more sessions over the next few weeks, like 3 or 4 sessions. And she'll tell us more about Kotlin and Android app development using Kotlin. Then the organizers, that is Google developers, they will be providing us with a problem statement on which we have to work as a team and build an app by Jan 10th, which is the deadline. So by the deadline, we have to make an app and submit just one app from our entire college. And based on our contributions in the app, we will be receiving certain certificates and goodies from Google. I think for all the juniors, it is a very good opportunity because by the end of the campaign, you will have like a mini sized project in your hand. And Android app development is something that is very interesting, I think, because we use so many apps on a daily basis. And when we can actually create one on our own, I think it'll be fun. So I request all of you to be active and participate. Shravya, if you're ready, you can continue.
Yeah, I'm just starting Android Studio. Just a minute.
Yeah, okay.
Excuse me,
Yes.
Yes.
is this only for your college students? Is others are not permitted to attend?
No, there's nothing like that. You can attend.
Okay, thank you.
It's not restricted to our college only. So yeah.
Can I ask which college are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
Okay, is there a GDSE chapter in your college?
Yes,
then I suggest you join with your GDSC chapter and participate in this campaign. If at all you don't have a GDSC chapter in your college, then you are more than welcome to join ours and participate.
I actually don't know our college has or doesn't have.
Okay, no problem.
So yeah, this is a basic Kotlin program, right? It will just show this, and let's look at the output. Sorry, the computer is lagging a bit, so it will just take 1 or 2 minutes. That's it.
Yeah, that's okay. Shravya, is the problem statement already given or will it be given
Uh,
later?
there is no actual problem statement. We can choose whatever we want, but it has to help someone or the other.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah. Can you guys see the output also?
Yeah, it's visible.
This is just like a basic, like the first level of app building, right? So it'll just say it's your birthday and just show this image and some text, and that's it. So yeah, this is the basic level of what you will be doing in Android Study Jam. So yeah, after this you'll be learning how to, uh, you know, add buttons and add navigations and add graphics and etc. Yeah, is there anything else you want to guys talk about?
Guys, if our app that we submit at the end of the deadline, if the app is really good and if it actually makes a difference, the app will be it will be showcased on Google's social platforms, and it's going to be a great opportunity for all of you. So please do participate and be active.
Yeah, and isn't it exciting that you are making an app that people will use or might use? So yeah, I think you should all consider coming into this, and I think it will help you a lot. Even in your resume, I think it will add value to it. So yeah, if you guys need anything, you can always text or call me or Pranati. Yeah. Um, Anything else, guys?
Yeah, I think we're done. There are no other questions. Any more questions, guys? Okay, I guess there are no questions. I request all of you to encourage more of your friends to join and participate in this campaign. It's a very prestigious campaign from Google, and I think it's a great opportunity for all of you as you're in your final year or pre-final year. So yeah, the next session details will also be posted real soon by Shravya. It
Yeah,
will mostly be on the next Sunday, maybe.
yeah.
Yeah. And any other things you want to share, Shravya?
No, I think that is it, Pranati.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining in.
Thank you, guys. And it was great meeting you also. Yeah, thank you.